Good morning everyone. Get ready for the school assembly. Get ready for the prayer. Please be in prayer position. Join your hands and close your eyes. Get ready for the pledge.
Pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India well-being and prosperity, along lies the happiness. Jai Hind.
Thought of the day. Let our academic year start with a good thought.
A warm good morning to dear friends. I am Diona Jujo from 7A. Today's thought. I have always loved the first day of school, better than the last day of school. First are the best because they are beginnings. Thank you and have a wonderful academic year.
Here's our little stars of Vijay Mada with a word of welcome.
Welcome to all. Welcome to all. Welcome to all. Welcome to all.
We the students of Vijay Mada, step a golden for our nation. Glad to love and song. To be with us and for bring up God's love. Oh, we the feeding on. Respect when and joy. But we all in matters more than what we have. But we all in matters more than what we have. Oh, yesterday is the day. Now is the time to grow in the goodness and light. Oh, yesterday is the day. Now is the time to fight for the truth and right, to love and serve. Vijay Mada, bless our school, management, teachers, friends, parents and wishes. Oh, we are pretty good. Respect when and joy. But we all in matters more than what we have. But we all in matters more than what we have.
All of you, get ready for national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जाहे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे